I'm about to show you how to delete your Messenger account in 2026. Let's jump in. Now I have my iPhone and my Android here opening up Messenger. All you need to do is get to your settings in here. So we'll just tap on the menu button and then you can see at the very top, just tap on settings. Now it'll look slightly different here on the iPhone or Android, but all we need to do is find the account center here. And now it will look the exact same iPhone and Android or computer if you're on a computer. From here, we're going to choose the personal details option and then account ownership and control. Next, you will choose deactivation or deletion. And keep in mind, Facebook is tied to Facebook Messenger. So this will be for Facebook. And we're going to choose to delete your account. Now, all we need to do is go through this process, and it doesn't matter what you say here. You can choose whatever you want and hit continue. Now, let's just keep going and hitting continue. And it says to keep Messenger deactivated instead, but we don't want to do that. We want to delete Messenger and Facebook. So just hit continue. Next, it will ask you for your password. Just enter in that password. It will delete your account, but it will give you 30 days to reactivate it just by logging back in.